The Fatal Vision Drowsy and Distracted goggles are controlled and configured through Bluetooth using a mobile app on your phone. You will choose one of 3 impairment modes for the Drowsy and Distracted goggles. The Mode A, Distracted Dial setting, simulates what could happen if someone takes his eyes off the road just long enough to dial a phone. The Mode B, Distracted Text setting, simulates the distraction that occurs when someone reads or responds to a text. The goggles black out for 4.6 seconds to simulate the average amount of time a person's eyes and attention are on the phone while texting and driving. The Mode C, Drowsy driving setting, simulates momentary microsleeps that build in waves until the eyes and brain shut down. The goggles black out, beginning with a short half-second closure, and continue to black out for longer periods of time, simulating the dangers of drowsy driving. Drive home the lesson that drowsy and distracted driving is impaired driving with these new Fatal Vision goggles.
The goggles can also be controlled by the buttons on the side of the frame. The M button changes the mode to A, B or C, and the plus button then makes A, B or C flash, and then the goggle will blink corresponding to that mode. The best way to use these goggles is with a driving simulator to allow the wearer to experience the simulated consequences of their impairment, or at a defensive driving course using a dual-controlled vehicle where the instructor can control the brake when the driver is about to leave the training activity. But if these options aren't available, we have provided many hazard perception videos for your trainees to watch while someone is wearing the goggle. The wearer could pretend to steer with their hands on the steering wheel and/or perform a commentary drive to announce the hazards they can see on the road ahead.